BBC Radio 1 Extra 2017, Kingston, Jamaica. Right now we are in a legendary spot, St. Lucia Road, King Jammy's studio with the legends that are standing here, Leuitenant Stichy, Josie Wales, Bonnie General, Beenie Man, and the king himself, King Jammy's Rhythm.
Hey! Yaga, 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 yaga. Hey! Yo! Girls, hear your sighs. Young girls, hear your sighs. As if you don't take stitchy advice, girls, you no good to get blind. Hey, hey! Young girls, hear your sighs. Young girls, hear your sighs. If you don't take stitchy advice, girls, it no good like it. 9 phenomenon, 1 phenomenon, 2. No, me say last week, Saturday, me buck up on a girl. Me tell them, me go take her around the world now. Kiss me neck, if I up in her head back. She want new shoes and she want new frock. She want new stocking and she want new strap. She want new watch and bangle and hat. Kiss me good side, she want new one back. Me say, girl, what make you want everything that is new? Only thing I can afford is a pair of shoe. Me give her money, but the girl still a screw. Why don't I just like a tattoo? I screw up her face like a crushed callaloo. Me say try that, that's a where you a try if you do. You want me to you in your two, I make it black and blue. She said, no, no, Stitchy, don't bother me at all. You just meet me and you want to make me ball. The girl foot big and the girl foot tall. She wear size 10 and she want to look small. Go buy size 8 and when it sees her she a ball. But girl, wear your size. Young girls, wear your size. Cause if you don't take stitchy advice, girls, ain't no good to get blind. Hey, young girls, wear your size. Young girls, wear your size. Cause if you don't take stitchy advice, girls, ain't no good to get. Pull up that! The original Colonel Josie Will.
Now, Selassie, I know we love. King Jammy's from the top, Simmerim Lion. Rastafari, this is how we do it in the 80s and the 70s. Beenie Man, Moses Davis. Selassie, I know, and I see Johnny Osborne at the back of the scene. Which open corner door and we'll not call the foul. Suppose you want to pick it up, is your business. Oh yeah. It is you, King Jammy's talking to, Lord, that was the name the true me con. Let me tell you about the true me con. Jesus Christ, I fall it down me yard, me have to give him crush con. Boil up me porridge with me how many con. I'm an informer, we call it con. Bad boy a fire shot, we call it con. Step on me clocks, man you hurt up me con. True me con. Tell you about a true me con. Lord, it is you, boo. King Jammy's talking to, boo, boo. Jesus Christ, this a true me con. I tell you about true me con. Lord, all who gone, say them gone already. And all who they a better sit down steady. My great-grandfathers would beat in slavery, while I'm and granny had to carry every load. Them a fick carry the load on the rocky road. Some make out a zinc and some make out a board. Some of them a pop out them eye like toad. When I bite off more than we can afford. The same true me con. Rastafari a true me con. Lord, we love. Make I man bring in the great Beenie Man, Moses Davis, Leuitenant Stitchy, 3D hard way.
Whoa, yo, I can't tell you something. Alright, me there you say right now side King Jammy. I'm a play the rhythm everybody see. And Josie Will they a Leuitenant Stitchy. And BBC they a them a video way. It's true. We are passing through. What a whole heap of guan. A whole heap of guan. Well, you see, Bonnie General, the original goat man. Original long time foundation. Don't you know, say Beenie Man, say me a real bad man. Long time there you know, say me a real top man. Josie Wheel there you know, foundation original long time. Leuitenant Stichy the real Christian. So everybody knows say man a field marshal. Me there right now, fi baptize no one. Me there right now, fi heal treat no one. So everybody know I wanna try understand. Say a music a go on. Me say a music a go on.
Well, I know Moses, funny. My name is Leuitenant Stichy, but me mommy and me sister them a call me Sandy. And now which part me come from in a Spain town city? I've birthright connection to the Almighty. So a piece of paper provide me with a pen.
Now Lieutenant, you are the Christian, but I one thing more wife. After I man went to a dance a Clarendon, me and a big fat thing named Pam. Dreadlocks as me reach as Jammy's dance gate. The work man a hold on for me woman hand. One box me give me 9 blasted face. Beer money scatter all over the place. A Babylon one dip him on in my waist. So I man off a button with me big 38 here me now dread. Leg on me and gate man and me come in Lord. Leg on me and gate man and me come in. You sleep under my cellar when me live up a pin. And anything me eat it up with ice cold and green. Me beetroot, me ackee man, me cabbage and green guy. From last week you don't change your clothes and you know save a piece of water hose. You come up people dance skater full of pose. Boy, you love brag, you love show off.
Yo, me nah brag and me really nah boast. But right now on the internet people a post. Say Josie Wheel and Leuitenant Stichy we nah boast. But Budgie General come hold the mic and toast.
Many woman, many man, many boy, many girl, many diamond, many pearl, many people in the world. Many things that them wicked, many things say that them mad. And many one come test and see they know them dead like that. What if a DJ call with him, we send the whole of them in the mag. And tell them jam is fire and they bad, so on around. Mollies and bonnet, and about come pull it up again, King. I want to them, man. Sure. I want to them, man. Lord of mercy.
Woi. Bunny General. Take it up. Hush. 80s style is a 80s style. 70s style is a 70s style. 90s style is a 90s style. 2000 DJ them get spoiled.
Think we gone, but we just a get ready. Lord God no. Then think we gone, we no gone. We just a get ready. Lord God no. Stichy say. Man, don't be
We love Beenie Man. Now, we love, now Beenie Man, you're the youngest of us all, and you're the great champion. Now, this is 2017 style. This one is called Push E Good, Pushhegood. So don't go away saying that we have said something derogatory on Jammy's production or profound. This one is called Push E Good. If you love it, say forward. If you love it, say go on. If you love it, say forward. Yeah. Any man will love them, woman, them must watch them. Woman and man, we are the greatest friend. Woman, don't you know they are our greatest problem? But we can't live without them. But if I chat you a push, girl, you push it good. And if I bite you a push, girl, you push it good. You push it good, you push it good. Girl, you push it real good. When rain a fall, road slippy and sloppy. The corner them wide deep and them wetty. But I say, come here, Miss Betty. From you get him in the left, girl, the way you make me happy, me have a gate roof. You push it good, girl, you push it real. Stitchy, the way she give me bun, me have to change my name to Bunny. It seem like me born in the middle of the bakery. Payments give you money, girl, you know something not checky. See me new Benz, the girl go on, go wrecky. Well, the player hate on them, hate me from the day she start date me. Them, we love coming, boys.